हे गाइस, वेलकम बैक। 2023 में जो फीचर कंपनीज चिल्ला चिल्ला कर बताएगी वो है ADAS। इसलिए आज ADAS को टेक्निकल, लॉजिकल, प्रैक्टिकल एस्पेक्ट से समझेंगे। ADAS आपके ड्राइविंग एक्सपीरियंस को पॉजिटिवली या निगेटिवली कैसे अफेक्ट करेगा और इंडिया जैसी हाईली अनडिसिप्लिन ट्रैफिक में ये कैसे फंक्शन करेगा, ताकि हम ये डिसाइड कर पाए शुड वी गो फॉर ADAS इन 2023। ये है वो चेन ऑफ फैक्टर्स जो हमें हेल्प करेगी टू मेक दिस डिसीजन। ऑल्सो से हाई टू फोर्स इज अ पार्ट ऑफ लेयरिंग व्हील्स। फर्स्ट थिंग्स फर्स्ट, what is ADAS and what does it provide? If you are familiar with ADAS, then you can skip to this time frame, but I'll still recommend you to watch it full. ADAS, Advanced Driver Assistance System, ये एक स्मार्ट सिस्टम है जो आपके व्हीकल की सेफ्टी इंप्रूव करेगा। वो कैसे करेगा? ड्राइवर को वार्निंग्स और असिस्टेंस देके, और अगर इतना टाइम नहीं है असिस्टेंस देने के लिए तो ADAS खुद डिसीजन लेगा। वो कैसे? ADAS uses camera, radar and other sensors because of which it can see things which we can see and also things which we can't. With the help of these cameras, it can identify vehicles, obstacles and pedestrians and likewise warn us or either take necessary safety decisions. Imagine having a super smart co-pilot to assist you at all times. That is what ADAS is. But the level of assistance and safety it provides will depend on the level of ADAS. Like from basic driver warning to complete autopilot. There are 6 levels to ADAS. If we consider level 0, level 0 has no automation. The driver has 100% control and is solely responsible for all the controls. At level 0, ADAS will provide you with necessary warnings. It includes features like electronic stability control, forward collision warning, auto emergency braking, lane departure warning, blind spot warning. Blind spot वो एरिया होता है कार के साइड का जो मिरर्स कवर नहीं करते। At level 1, the driver has a support system and it provides partial assistance. ADAS of level 1 can partially control steering wheel and acceleration for a certain amount of time and one at a time. It includes features like adaptive cruise control and lane keep assist. At level 2, ADAS can provide partial assistance. ADAS can partially control steering, acceleration and braking, all three at the same time for a certain amount of time. So the driver is required to be attentive at all times. It includes features like highway driving assist. Highway driving assist क्या है? On a long highway, when adaptive cruise control and lane keep assist can work at the same time, the car can actively use steering, acceleration and apply brakes. With few instructions, कार अपने आप तो चल सकती है हाईवे पे, but the driver needs to keep the hands on the steering wheel at all times. Level 3 ADAS can provide conditional automation. It uses level 2 features and artificial intelligence at the same time to make decisions based on data collected from cameras and other sensors. As we know, they can detect pedestrians, vehicles and obstacles along with internet and navigation. At level 3, you don't need to supervise car at all times, but you must be alert. And under certain conditions, it can fully automate. It has features like traffic jam assistance. तो अगर ट्रैफिक जैम में फंसे हो और थोड़ा थोड़ा मूव करना है, थोड़ा थोड़ा डायरेक्शन चेंज करना है, तो ADAS वो टाइम पर अपने आप कर लेगा level 3 में. Level 4 is high driving automation. It doesn't require human supervision. You don't need driver or steering wheel as well. It is used for driverless taxis and public transport for vehicles functioning in specific areas and programmed from point A to point B. Level 5, it's a dream scenario where all vehicles are driving by itself with no geographical restrictions. It can be driverless under all conditions. Even if you understood these levels partially, we are good to go. Anyways, I'll make a detailed video on ADAS, its levels and all its features separately. What is the current state of ADAS tech in India? It is early stages of implementation and development. Currently, very few cars have ADAS in India like Innova Hycross, MG, Ester, Hector, Gloster, Honda City, XUV 700. But a lot of cars that will be launched in coming months will have ADAS. Verna, Creta, Harrier, Safari and many more. All these cars have either level 1 or level 2 ADAS, which provides good assistance. Thing to notice, a lot of manufacturers are heavily investing on ADAS and even governments want this ADAS change to happen. But why? Here is why. It improves safety. Features like lane assist, auto emergency braking, front rear collision warning, blind spot monitoring helps prevent accidents. Studies show cars with ADAS are 25% less likely to be involved in a crash. It provides enhanced driving experience. Features like adaptive cruise control, automatic parking, reduces driver's fatigue. ADAS increases cars resale value. Cars with ADAS have high resale value. Improved fuel efficiency. Adaptive cruise control on a long run highway can improve fuel efficiency by reducing uneven acceleration. Better driving awareness. With warning signs, you are more aware of your surroundings. But this is only half of the truth. ADAS is expensive. And even if we keep the cost part aside, there are things to consider that tells potential dark side of ADAS, especially in India. The stats of accident prevention were from US, where traffic is kind of organized, but in a country like India, the traffic and driving conditions are totally different, and these benefits might harm you more than doing good. ADAS, as of now, is not highly optimized for India. Even the best brands like Mercedes and Volvo are not that efficient. Here are few problems that one can face in India. False alarm. With close proximity of vehicles, the warning signals will be active all the time, especially in heavy traffic. These false alarm will be a distraction. Rear end collision. The close proximity of vehicles will trigger features like auto emergency braking too much in order to maintain safe distance. ADAS will stop the car relatively early, and there are high chances to get hit from the back, as the one driving behind won't be aware of your auto emergency braking, and that will increase rear end collision. False sense of security. These electronics, camera, radar might malfunction anytime, so relying heavily on technology and not paying attention on roads will increase accidents. Initially, getting ADAS will lead to poor driving skills. As a new learner, one should learn to know and sense the environment and traffic around the car. With ADAS, the new driver will have lesser driving skills. ADAS is connected to the internet, so security of data and risk of hacking will be a concern. Seeing the cost side, ADAS is expensive. Its maintenance cost is more and its repair cost is even more. ADAS is not very good in detecting potholes, a frequent problem in India. So expect bumps on a long highway where you are enjoying with your cruise control and lane keep assist. So in coming future, ADAS will be able to detect potholes and alert the driver, but this is still under development. ADAS may not properly function under different weather conditions. So what now? The negatives are significant. ADAS is the future of technology. With more and more people opting for ADAS, its data accuracy will improve. Accidents could and might increase, but they will be small accidents. And I am saying this because of highly unorganized Indian traffic. But with more cars with ADAS, the security and safety will be definitely improved. In future, ADAS will be more sophisticated. ADAS in future will be able to predict and prevent accidents by using data from other devices, cars and surroundings. ADAS is the shift between no automation to full automation. And what falls under no automation and full automation? It's partial automation. That's what ADAS is. Government is also considering making ADAS mandatory in near future. Expect in 4 to 5 years. Indian government has proposed implementation of advanced safety in vehicles. Overall, Indian government is taking steps to ensure safety of ADAS and make it more widely available. So what's the conclusion? Should we go or should we not? I have a very good analogy to explain this. Remember old phones with buttons and no internet? Our grandparents were able to use it quite effectively. But when smartphones came, this changed. Our older generation were not able to use these smartphones very effectively because of too many available features. This is how it is for ADAS and future of cars. The cars have literally not changed much up till now. We had limited HVAC controls, but with introduction of connected car tech, touchscreen infotainment system, we have a whole lot of features now to access. And using ADAS requires a little bit of learning curve, and this learning part will increase with new technology. So if you are someone who wants to have these benefits of ADAS, you need to go through this learning curve. So if you ask me, I'll advise you to go for ADAS and go through this learning curve. You will get used to it soon. These negatives will be easily solved with time, but knowing what features of ADAS are actually important for you and what are hyped up additions is very important. The video I'll be posting next will help you do exactly that. You will know all the ADAS features, what they do and how they will enhance your driving experience and what features will hinder your driving progress. So stay tuned.